Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. Try to see if this thing, did this create a vertical stream too or no? So I'm not seeing it. It's supposed to have. It was supposed to. I mean, it shows that we're live on both. What up, Son of Wall Street? Miss K, Jan Hammer. Yeah, a little early since I missed the last couple of days, so we're going to see if this thing did what it's supposed to do or not. If it didn't, we may have to play with it a little bit. Because I don't see both yet. Futures trader in the house. What up, Francis? Yeah, I don't see both. So I tried to set this thing up over the weekend to do vertical and horizontal, and it said I don't know why I did that. It's not showing me that it did the horizontal or the vertical. I don't know why. Well, I guess that's okay if it didn't do it. We'll just figure that out later. I don't know why it would not have. I don't remember. What did I do different? Anyways, well, moving on. Let's get that chat pulled back up. That chat. All right, let's see here. Anyways, how was everybody's weekend? know why I did that, but I guess we'll have to figure that out. Who knows? All right, let's check out the news today. What do we got? We were a little bit sick over the weekend. Good morning, Tris. Any news today? Not really. Fed Vice Chair Barr speaks at 12:45. Daly speaks at 2:30. That's really it. So basically a no news Monday. Yep. All right. We are early. I'm curious to see what the opening range brings us. If we look at the higher time frame here, we look bearish. We inverse this 4 hour here to the downside, right? Where's that at? It's over here. So, well, can't see it. It's over here. What is that drawing out? Right here. So we inverse that to the downside, as you can see. So from a theoretical standpoint, you know, 4 hour sell side's 240. But if we look at the hourly, we have a really good draw on liquidity on the hourly to the downside. This wick at 490. Again, we're going to need more data. Sometime today. Oh, I thought I was on the hourly. But you can see we got this wick here inside a gap that also has the previous day close and open that's unmitigated down here at that 410 to 425 area. So for me, I think this is a great draw on liquidity and potentially a great buy zone as well. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to completely turn around here, but what I am saying is I think you can get some points here, down here at this level. So I'm going to be looking kind of for shorts just into this level. So basically selling all bounces. Now here's the thing, the market likes to manipulate, right? So is it outside the realm of possibility that we fill the new day opening gap first and then kind of go down here? That's not outside any realm of possibility, and it could happen. Remember, we also have a bearish hourly gap up here. So kind of sitting between two drawn liquidities right now. So you could wait for one or the other to be taken and then potentially target the other side. Whoa, what is that? What time is it? I mean, there's no news. That was a crazy little spike right there. You guys see that? Crazy little candle. 70 points pre-market. A little bit of an insane candle. So yeah, I mean, I would think that if we fill this new day opening gap up here, we could, it's not completely unreasonable to push up into this area and then kind of come down here. So, and obviously that's what it looks like it wants to do. Bowman spoke yesterday, but also no news today. So if it doesn't, yeah, I don't know. I didn't see Monday's news at all, Jan. I was really out of touch yesterday. I did turn the charts on for just a minute mid-afternoon, but I really Didn't do anything yesterday as far as trading. And again, this is something that we kind of want to happen like at open. We don't really want this to happen pre-market. It's not really what we wanted. But that's what it's doing. Yeah, not yet, Jan. We'll take the orb trade no matter what, most likely. What up, DA? Good morning. Most likely. I mean, this has to be some sort of news. This is not normal for this time of day. I mean, that's 125 points. I don't know what the news is. Something. Good morning, Matty Matt. We've reached an understanding on main principles with the U.S. I got you. Yeah, I was going to say, like, that's not normal, right? Not normal. We are green from a little overnight gold trading. $579. Some of that's from a short this morning, but the majority of that was from overnight gold trading. Took some entries. I'll show you guys what we took. I didn't feel like... Actually, I can't show you because I got that connection turned off. But, let me see if I can pull it up. Hold on. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, it's a big cat, ain't me. Why am I struggling so bad to get this up here? All right. Delayed Canada news? Nah. Man, I usually just look at investing, but I just didn't look it up. Oh, let's go, Jan. Nice job. But I'll show you kind of what we were looking at in gold last night. We marked out some levels last night on the gold. So this is the levels that we marked out and we took. Right here. So we bought here. We bought here. We bought here again off that swing. We bought here and we bought here. So you can see every time, every little ledge that we bought, we're only looking for 5 points. And every single ledge offered at least 5 points or more. So we were 5 for 5 on gold last night. I don't think I've lost a gold trade in the evening, trading that strategy in over a week. I think I'm 23 for 23 on gold. So, what up, Sherry? I think we're 23 for 23 on the gold. 32 level. The thing is, that was news, Frank. So, like, yes, but that was news, right? So it's a little bit different. That's news and pre-market. So if you were going to enter, you might enter here. but a little tricky if we're being honest. A little bit tricky. But this would be the spot to enter long if you were going to. But I don't know. Pre-market, not a huge fan of it. Let's look at the 1 minute, see if there's a wick. Because, I mean, we can consider... If there was a wick, you could consider that kind of a data wick, but there's not really one there. Not really one on ES either. Let's check NQ. That candle cannot be right on NQ. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh, the old back's hurting today. Trading Star, what up? Lena, what up? Alpha, what up? Did yesterday not count as a trading day? I'm not sure. It's different for every prop firm. I know it did not count on Bulenox. Rob, it was okay. I was pretty sick on most of the... Well, I was throwing up on whatever day it was. I can't even remember at this point. So... What up, Punisher? Trading Star, I was just having, like, I still didn't feel great from being sick. So, we've had kind of a little bit of a stomach bug, kind of just pushing through the household there. And, I don't know. I just decided it's best not to trade when I was feeling that way. Half day, didn't want to do anything stupid, that kind of thing. Nathaniel says TPT counted. Let's go. I'm doing pretty good, Punisher. I feel pretty good this morning. The back's a little stiff today. Max has hurt himself somehow. He is whimpering, and whenever he jumps up onto the bed or onto the chair, he whimpers. So I don't know what he did. Yeah, everybody else is good to go, Trading Star. I'm fine today, too. I'm fine today. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what Max did, to be honest. But, guys, I'm leaning bearish because the 4-hour did inverse, right? I'm leaning bearish. That doesn't mean we can't push up. That doesn't mean that I won't change my bias if price tells me something else. But my thought process is, at a minimum, I'd like to see us push up and take out this level, and then maybe push down here and take out this unfilled gap at the 425s. But I don't know. That's just kind of what I'm thinking. We'll see what the orb brings us as far as the range goes. Still use a Replicanto, yes. Tradecopia and TradeSync are fine. They're third-party web-based compiers, I believe. But... like I always say, I think any copier is fine. Every copier is going to have issues from time to time. Sometimes I'll go weeks without having issues with Bulenox, and then sometimes it's kind of nonstop, where things just go wrong. But you gotta kind of take the good with the bad there, and just, it is what it is. You got to be able to just need to manage it the best you can. Still got about a half hour before the market opens. Not really looking for anything yet this morning, but if we see something obvious, we'll take it. Ugh. Dumping GC in equities. Is GC dumping? Oh, wow. No, wait. Yeah, it is. Interesting. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. What up, Tony? What happened, Visible? Are you negative 1700? I'm so tired today, guys. But we're going to try to hang in there. Went down to 300, back to 1700. Woof. Visible. ES is now reclaiming the 32. You know what? I'm going to stab here, guys. I'm going to stab long here. Let me adjust. Let me adjust this. I don't like it like that if I don't have... I don't remember where that was. Positions? There we go. See if this thing can squeezy. Don't really want this gap to be more than about 50. Oh, it's already at 50. Dang. Might be a pretty big size opening range today. I would love us to open up inside the range to at least make it easier for me to take it. I hate it when I have to put the order down. I mean, it's fine. I just don't like doing it that way. So we get a little squeeze up here. ES reclaim 32, which Mancini talks about. Next level up 38 there. Can we squeeze it? Max has got a little grumble going. Maybe we can. What up, Charles? Max said, woo, 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 woo. Taking a little pre-market trade here. Probably going to go break even on this, so back above 65.50 here. Probably. We won't be too unreasonable with this trade. We got 7 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute. Let's see what happens with it. No real news today if you guys are just joining. If you haven't already hit the like button for me. Good morning, Chris. How's it going? We will add down at 25. Yeah, I'm long, Chris. I'm not going to give it too much room, though. Kind of needs to hold and go here. If it doesn't, we'll kill it. Watching the ES pretty closely here. Want to see ES hold 32. I think it can go, but who really knows? I don't like trading the last like 20-30 minutes before open, but here we are. Here we are. Can it load a gun for you and cock it too? New 5-minute candle here. Again, watching ES kind of closely here. If it loses to 32, I'll just kill this trade. ES is above the VWAP. Nasdaq below the VWAP. Alright, we may just eat this. Let's see. Peekabooing below the 32 for now on the ES there. Oh. You don't like it either? Yeah, it's one of those things.
Live stream.
In this live stream, we're a family.
Let's make profits. Well,
Let's watch Bear Trader's thing here. Uh-oh, you got your BMW scratched? Oh, no. That sucks. Let me, I want to listen to Bear's thing here. Fast and volatile. Oh, goodness. That's hilarious, Bear Trader. Oh, that is so hilarious. Stop to break even. Good morning, Dean. Here we go, guys.
Minute what's less, I'm free. Many believe that trading is an individual call, but not in this live stream. Here we are a family, no one gets left behind. Challenges come and go, we know that. But the most important thing will always be the payouts. Click on the link. It doesn't matter if it's 1% or 10%, profits are profits. The live stream is about to start, let's go with our hosts.
Welcome to the best live stream.
In this live stream, we're a family.
Let's make profits.
Bear Trader.
I live my life one trade at a time. For those minute what's less, I'm free.
That's hilarious. Oh, ho, ho, stopped out. Rude. Scratch the entire right tail light. What? Bear Trader is creative. Very creative. I look jacked. That's right. Oh. Bear Trader's got to make it more. I am taller this time. I am taller. So I got to give it. I got to give that to him. I'm taller. All right, opening range is set. $59.25 points. We're going to make it easy. We're going to call it 60 points. We're going to call it 60. Let's get the calculator. That means our stop is going to be 30 points. Times 4. That's 120 ticks. So that's $60 per micro. So we can go 3 micros will be 180. 4 would be 240, right? Yeah. So we can only go 3 micros on this trade. What did I say? 30 times 4. So 120 ticks stop. Let's put this over here so we remember. Morning, Danielle. So, what we got to do now, we'll set up our ATM strategy. So let's go long first. Edit. We're going to go 3, 2, and 1. We said the stop loss was 120. So this is how I set it up. Stop loss is the same on all of them. 240 at 240 ticks. Should I go break even? I mean, it's only 30 points. I don't think so. So we'll go like 215. We'll go break even. And then this one at 240 ticks, we'll go break even as well. And at 200 ticks, we'll start trailing 10 points behind. That'll work. Now we got to save these. Save as the orb long. Yes, save. Okay. There we go. Now we're all set up. We're all set up. So let's try to split the screen here. Come on. Have I dyed my beard? Nope. Nope. Not done anything to the beard. Nada. Not a darn thing. What did you miss at 850? 125 point rip up, followed by about an 80 point rip down. 90 point rip down. Here's the thing. I don't really care what side of the orb we bounce out of today, because we only need 60. What do we need? 60 points. Yeah, so I think that we can get, there's enough room on both sides for 60 points for a full 2R. So, they don't, Jan. I've tried it. I don't know. It don't work for whatever reason. Business Lens, what up? Tom Sabo said I'm handsome. Oh, thank you, Tom. Yeah, ICT, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm sorry. What up, Clarity? Good morning. I did pick up 5 Lucid Flex accounts, 25Ks. I don't know, just cheap enough. I wanted to buy some, so I'm going to trade those just on the orb trade here and see if we can't get those passed. If not, then you know, oh well. All right, let's get a little giveaway started here. I've never seen a pregnant Chinese lady. I think I have. I think I have here in America for sure. I don't really know what kind of account I'm going to give away yet. I haven't decided. Free 50K, yeah, FTT. Why is the sponsor under my stream a Top Step TV ad? I have no idea. Because I guess they paid for the ad. I can't control what ad comes up, you know what I mean? Woo! All right. Chris, it's difficult to do in Quantower because you can set up a trail and stuff, but you have to go to advanced pricing strategy right here. You have to go to advanced and click on the little icon in order to do an auto break even. So you go to advanced stop loss and TP, click on the icon, and then you would have to activate trailing stop, And you have a profit threshold, an offset, and stuff like that. A little more difficult to do. It's easier to drop the orders in Quantower, but not easier to... the ATM strategy is not as good. $6.11.50. So there's the range. Morning, Mad Moxie. 150K TPT times 5 sounds good. Yeah, it does. I would like for us to have a nice easy one today where we just open up inside this range, but I think if we stay inside the range past 925, it probably is reasonable to think that that may happen. But who knows? I want a winning trade today. That'd be nice. We ate 3 losers last week. The strategy went 2 out of 5, and unfortunately, we didn't get the 2 winners, and we ate all 3 losers. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate. But can't really blame that on the strategy. That's my fault. Ugh. About to work on the buffer. Let's go. Don't copy trade them. Yeah. I mean, I agree there. You know. Makes sense. Good morning, Eric. As you guys come in, please hit the like button for me. I got 68 viewers, 29 likes. It's not enough. You find 3 losers and the rest, everyone gets their 350K accounts. If I had 300K accounts to give away, I would. The copy trader crashed 2 out of 5. That sucks. It's frustrating when that happens, you know? Let's just stay inside the range here. I'm going to throw my order out here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to wait because last time I did that relatively early, it didn't let me move it. So let's put it out when we have to. Thank you, David. You demand. Lately, especially when adding advanced stuff to it, yeah, that's why I stay away from it weeks. I just stick to this. That's why when I take this trade over here, I only take it. I take it with just a 1-to-1. And same idea. I just post it. I just post the orders and keep it simple. So once we get to about a minute left, I'll put the orders on the screen. We'll see what we can get here at open. So I guess today we're risking about 180 going for 360. Morning, Alcy Faye. All right, 3 minutes until open. All right, let's Let's put our sell stop in. For some reason, the OCO's not been working right anyway. I don't know why. Oh, shit. See, I almost made a mistake there. All right. So it'll be nice if it opens, if it stays inside the range here. We got 2 minutes left. Let's don't break out. Just stay inside the range. Keep it simple. Morning, Robert. They're talking about opening gold up again. Yeah, we'll see. You want to leak 6780 on ES? I'd be okay with that. I mean, I do think I'm bearish today overall, but I do think a gap close up into 740s could be a thing too. That could be a thing. Beers are getting more expensive. What up, Chris? I'm going to put these right on the line. Tech T in the house. I'm going to go ahead and drop that. Hopefully it doesn't start dumping right here with the last 20 seconds. There we go. Actually going to be able to get them on both here. Tagged in long. Come on, rip it up there. Don't do me dirty. That's fucking rude. All right, down 180. Oh man, I forgot. Well, it's okay. That's kind of annoying. Just tagged me in, didn't want to go. All right, let me close that out. What up, bro? This thing is just trapping on both sides. All right, now we're going to take it. See if we get this gap fill now. Probably move the stop up to break even once we get through the 727s there. potentially. Let me open up. I forgot. Let me open up my other platform here. I'm going to open up Trade-O-Vate. You got a phantom trade? That sucks, man. I just hit buy and it didn't do anything. Anybody see that? Well, I guess it might be a what's going on there? Well, I mean, I'm only in 3 micros. I should be able to trade more than that, right? YM straight up. Yeah, ES kind of bouncing too. I mean, we got the gap fill up there, so at 746. I entered the trade up here as well, so that's why I'm watching up there. So we get that run up into the 46 on the gap fill there. Let's go. There we go. All right, all out there. So I made a little money there. Back up green, $64 there. Kind of thought it might run that gap. What up, Philcos? That sucked. I mean, like, I felt like it was going to go up. I hate it when it does that. Trapped on both sides and then went, but nothing you can do. Am I saying the Dutch are real economic geniuses by implementing a 30% tax on unrealized gains? Yeah, they seem reasonable. Seem like geniuses to me. Genius, genius, genius. That's kind of annoying, to be honest, how that worked out. But, yeah, what can you do? You play it mechanically. You're going to win sometimes, you're going to lose. Just how it is. Just how it is. I don't know, Weeks. I think it's more of a comedy thing. $842. Yeah, looks like reasonable. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Let's take this stuff off. We don't need this on here anymore. I was considering shorting 775, You know, chicken enters the farm alone. That's probably true. I don't know one trade a day. I'm not sure. I'm not sure because Jackson has a baseball game, so I don't know. So I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Going for previous day high. I don't know. I think it's the Asia up there is 842. Feels like we're going there. Good morning, Lexi. I feel like that's where we're going. I really don't know. We could leave that, but I don't think we will. I mean, we do have an hourly gap here. I mean, if we theoretically close above this hourly, we could just go up. Biblical in the house. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. A bull flag in here. What's it doing? Going for the gap fill. Which gap fill though? So we already kind of filled the daily gap. Yeah, that's a ripper. That's a ripper. $842, $803's close price. I don't know. I haven't marked. Did I mark it out wrong? Maybe I did. Yesterday's. I didn't mark out yesterday or Sundays. Yeah, I didn't mark out Sundays. Let me look at that. I didn't even look at Sundays, I guess. Where is Sundays at? $213. I don't know. I don't have it marked out. Did that really just happen? Or is that a phantom candle? What the hell is that? Yeah, that's phantom. I was about to say what the hell is that? 15-minute fair value gap gets inverted in some minutes. We'll see. Let's go. Nice job, Jan. Kind of bull flag in here. I might buy 725 if we get a pullback into there. I don't know if we will. I'll buy a 7. I mean, I could start it at 750. I don't know if we'll get it. $32 and 86. Yeah, I have that marked out. I'm trying to decide where I wouldn't mind buying at. I'm going to buy a 720. I'm going to buy a 750 here, I think, as like a aggressive entry. I'm in too high here, 754, unfortunately, but I'm going to buy 750 there, and I'm okay with adding at the 725. Anybody see what is going on today? How come I cannot add to my positions? I mean, I'm in one micro. Is this that stupid ATM strategy crap messing with me here? I think it is. That's why I don't like turning that stuff on. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Yeah, Phil, as long as you recognize that, right? Thank you, Dylan. You the man. I'd like to see a bounce here, to be honest. Like for it to bounce here. We'll see. The copier weeks. You're in, Neo. Let's go. Well. Oh, crap. Why am I in 3? My quantity is 1. Wait. What the hell's going on here? Anybody else see what's going on there? That makes no sense. What the hell is going on? I'm going to kill this. I don't know what's going on with my quantity there. Something's up. I'm not sure what was going on there. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. That's why I didn't want to click on it. Yeah, John, it's my third ad, but for some reason it had me. It was showing. I don't know why. It had all my targets at the same spot. I don't know. It was weird. I took a loss anyway. Either way, it's fine. I was just like, what's the deal there? Holding the VWAP here. Trying to bounce here off the VWAP. See if we can get a squeeze going. Still in up here on this other account. I am red on the day on this account now, 220. So I'll have to try to fight my way out of that. Well, it got me out of one of them. But not the other. Still pulling back. Uh, 75, yeah. DCA at 30. Yeah, I'm still in over here. I'm just waiting. It looks like we're going to run that 9 a.m. print potentially. We are back to the 32 here, so could be another good spot to kind of long. Dump day, yeah, Smokey could be. I kind of came into the day bearish, but then we started pushing up, and I thought we'd run the overnight high there. We got pretty close to it. We just didn't run it. What I might do is look for a couple of spots here to take a little bounce trade. Kind of get back above that 675 there. We probably think we can start running at that point potentially. Yeah, Dylan, we did leave that there, so who really knows, right? Who really knows? We left all that up there. Could maybe buy 600, 610 even. Oh wow, what was that? That was a wild candle. Why is it not letting me? Something's weird going on with Trade of 8, man. It's not letting me add to my position. When I put an order on, it didn't do anything. If he gets back up, okay, now it puts it on there. I mean, come on. It's rude. All right, guys. Trade of 8's acting stupid again today. It's not letting me close my position. Well, I mean, I don't really want to close it now. You can see it didn't even add me here. Now it added. That's so stupid. What the fuck? Now I'm in 9. Oh. I mean, come on, man. Stupid. It just lost $113 on that because of lag. Some serious lag. Yeah, Trade of 8 lagging pretty hard there. We're still green on the account. We're up 187, but I should have been up. We should have been up more than that because it should have taken us out on that last bounce, and it didn't. Yeah, it doesn't really happen that often, but what up, iTrades? Yeah, I'm connected via the Hungarian servers. For sure. For sure. Got the overnight low down there at 518. Looks like that's where it's heading. Potentially. Have to be a little careful just because, yes, it's at a support level. If ES can't hold the like 11-12 area, then we're going to dump pretty good here. About to sweep the low. Little bouncy poo there, little bouncy poo. It's acting like it's inversing. The last 19 minutes went the other way. Yeah, that's what it does. I'm waiting to see how ES reacts to this level. Depending upon how it reacts here will be determine whether I long or short. There's the low. Going for such a small target. I probably shorted right into the worst area possible. This is one of the dumbest shorts I think I've ever done. It may work, it may not. This is dumb. I know it's going to go. I don't know. That was a stupid trade. Now we pray, yeah. Oh, Nutty kept long and he got whacked. Yeah, I was kind of doing that too, though. And then I'm probably shorting into, like I said, I mean, I need to push back up to short, and I'm shorting in a not smart spot. Yeah, Manny Matt, we got to dump. The thing is, I did kind of come into the day bearish, but then I... You know? Watching the ES here, see how it reacts to this level. Quick $100 there. Now I'm going to go for a little more here. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Let's go. Back to break even. All right. Off these 5 micros. Back down to 1. Dump is incoming today. I think so too. Alita, that was a fake pump. Yeah, feels that way, right? Well, it did take out some key levels, though. It did take out a few key levels. This is Mancini's. We're also at the weekly low. 6802 could be a bounce area. We'll see. Could be a little bounce area here, but ultimately my buy zone is really down there at the 425 level, 410. I think what I'll do, I think we'll go with our buy down here. Yeah. Down here at the 425 to 410 area. I think that's a great spot for some points down through here, for some shekels. Yes, just inverse bullish 4-hour gap. Oh! I mean, it feels like we're going to sell side down there at 425. I mean, maybe even lower. But we could get a little reaction off that level. You're long, Neo? Good luck, sir. Floppy dog. For push it back up a little bit here. Yes, might be retesting that 14 area. Kind of the line in the sand right here, to be honest. For the shorts. If we pop here, we'll be moving up quite a bit. What up, Black Beauty? I think we hold here, push back down. You should see it kind of return to the lows here, most likely. Oh, I haven't played the inverse in a while, but took 30 seconds for 30. Nice job. I guess technically there is a 1 minute there as well. Not that big though. Boom, 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 boom. Nice little push up there. ES getting back above the 10. Kind of the line in the sand there, like I said. Good squeeze from here. Could be a spot for a long here, potentially. But do we create a bear flag and go back down? Back below the 10 here could get interesting. Let's go, Neo. Nice job. Got 10 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Looks like ES is about to squeeze. Let's see if it can hold that 10 level or not. If ES holds above the 10, I think she squeezes. So right now it's doing it. Next level 22. Yeah, I jumped in long to Neo, but I'm gonna use that ES 10 level as my stop. If it doesn't hold above there, then I'll be out. Oof, I don't want to do that. ES is not really holding that level as of yet. It's trying to. ES right there to the key level there at the 10. Looks like it might break. Tricky spot here. Tricky spot. Could be a higher low and go type situation. If it sweeps the low, I think we We get a really good push lower if it sweeps the low. Got stopped out over here on my long, by the way. Obviously got to get back below 500 there. I don't know here. So kind of a tricky spot. I mean, a higher time frame kind of lean towards sells, right? Looks like it's going to push lower here. Lose that 90 level here. This thing really should dump, but kind of looking like a maybe a little, I don't know. It's just looking like a higher low right now, honestly. The big boys are selling, maybe. Now we're starting to get the move lower. Got stopped. Yeah. I mean, if it gets back below the low, I think it's pretty safe to say that we're going to test that level down there lower. $40 ticks. I gotta sneeze, guys. Woo! Still did not get through that low. That's so strange. Gonna break the little 5-minute range. Yeah, I think so. I'm getting my order set up for the buy zone down here, and then we keep popping. Thank you, Philcos. Shorting 530. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at like that level too. Somewhere in that area. All right, I shorted. I got my stop in at break even already. Looking for the pushback down to the 475. You can see a little degeneracy over here. Might get stopped. Yeah. It's alright. Little degeneracy. Up $500 on that account. I think I'll probably put that one away now. Move on to the next one. Break the 90, I kind of expect this thing to get the little bit of a push down here. We'll see. 200-point wick on that last 1 hour candle is a huge shock. Yeah. We break through 90 here, we should be able to push lower. You only got 2 through the buffer. That sucks. Caught a good short earlier, plus 211 accounts. Nice job. Test the 400. I like the 400 test. I mean, theoretically, we should go to the 240, to be honest. Yeah, Futures Trader. I got some Trade of 8 glitches, too. Wow, that's a pretty big candle back up. Look at that. Hey, let's go, Weeks. Nice job. We'll take a little short here. I got in a little late. I really got in later than I wanted there. That sucks. I wanted to actually take the short from like here. A little tighter stop. Oh, come on. Had to give it room to run that wick there. Yeah, I was looking for a little, just a little reaction there. Just didn't get it. I'm gonna try it one more time. Nope. Why is this thing just ripping like that? Oh, initial balance isn't set either. Let's go. Nice job, Manny Matt. Yes, all the way back above 22 there. Nice little rip there. Do you know it goes to the price that you want, just not the way you think? Yeah, for sure. Oh. What happened, Trader on Tilt? Ooh. All right. They threw in an extra leg down to take away the IFEG. Oh, yeah. Little manipulation leg, maybe? I don't know. The IFEG still paid, though. I mean, if you did take it, it paid, 27 up to 71. I mean, it's still 45, 50 points almost. No SMT here or anything. Wait, actually, there is an SMT. ES did not take the overnight low, did it? Oh, that's the weekly low. Did it take that or not? Oh, it did. Never mind. Is this level going to hold? I don't know. I tried iTrades. Didn't do a very good job at it, to be honest, but I did try. Well, getting kind of a little twitchy here. Do we hold the 40 or do we lose it? Is the question. ES back to the key level here. Bouncing off the 10 there for the ES. Think it's going down now. Looks that way anyway. What up, Prakash? 13 seconds left on this candle. Dirty close. Dirty close. I still think it goes down, but that was a pretty dirty close. See how the 1 minute closes here. If it can close kind of heavy. This thing is just, I mean, this thing is whipping all over the place, guys. I mean, this is just whipping like crazy. So crazy. This thing's all over the place, guys. The Mahadra chakra is the first of the 7 main chakras in traditional yogic and tantric systems. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, this thing is all over the place, guys. Be careful. Look for this push lower. All right. We ran that little swing low there. Can we continue? Every time it hits that level down there, it just bounces. This does not want to close below that level. I mean, it needs to close below 515 in order to get the continuation lower. But every time we get there, it bounces. Like, see the candle open right there? New candle. This is a new 15-minute candle, but still. Like, this thing is just not wanting to get through there. I am in it over here. We have been degenning over here a bit. Stops in at break even, as you can see. So still in 2 micros here. We want to see a close below here, down below like the 15. Close real heavy. We can get some acceleration. I'm going to go ahead and take that one there, down to 1. Looking for like that 440s on this one. I'm gonna, if we can get a print below 490, I'll lock in like 510. So if I can get a nice close below 490 in the next 25 seconds, we will we'll move the stop down. Not doing it. Let's see here. I want to close below 490. I'll move the stop down. $15 seconds on this candle. I got the close we were looking for. Yeah, Matty Matt, for sure. I traded so dumb on this account over here today. I might blow this account over here, guys. We might. Eh, 47 will give us 100 points. Let's see, let's see. I'm going to buy the previous day close over here, trying to fight back on that account. If that trade loses, we're going to be just right on the brink of blowing that account. Just traded it so dumb today. I took a couple of trades in 10 micros. I probably should have been much more sized down, but not the smartest. Come on now. Oh, is that initial balance is set? So we just, yeah, that's what it is. All right, up 809 on that account. We'll take it. Let's get over here. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know, Clarity. That was stupid trading. There really was. It was. Did not trade it very stupid at all. Or very smart. Oh. You know, it's only $1,000 in drawdown. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, for sure. Constant back and forth. And also kind of moving the stop there. I mean, like, I don't know if it's the smartest thing to do. I mean, I know it's going down there. Thank you, Phil Ghost. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I'm just waiting, guys. If we get tagged in here, see if we can get the dub. I mean, really, we don't even need to stop, to be honest. I don't know. I'm getting lag on like everything today. I can't even take that off there. Let's go for like 20 points. What I might do going to be very smart here. Not so much. It entered the short off the EMA here. Stop to break even. Just seeing if we can't get us a little more room here. We might can save this account if we can get a little room. I'm locking in 10 points here. Maybe we'll trail it like this. Man, if we can save this account from the brink, that would be amazing. All right, down 671. So we got 330 in drawdown now. What is the giveaway? It is a free account. It will be one free account. This gum does not last long at all. Doesn't last long at all. No rug pull this time. That's right. None. Zilch. Zero. Nada. We might start scalping one micro at a time, just trying to get 20 bucks at a time here, you know? 20 bucks at a time. Let's go for another 20 bucks here off this EMA. We'll add up here. $20 at a time. That's what we're going to try to do. We're on a comeback mission. We're on a mission, guys. We're on a mission. Room's long. That's rude, room. Very rude. I would never fade you, bro. I am only looking for 10 points, so it's not the end of the world if, you know, if it could give me my 10 points and then you could still go too. Please rig the giveaway so that give you the account. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I will try my best to rig it for you. Oh, man. Was that the room beats guarantee long? Is that what that was? I don't know. Thank you, It's Trading Star. I appreciate you. All right, see if we get a reaction off that 21 EMA there. Maybe not. Holy cow, man. Look how big these candles are. We're already down 90 bucks on this trade. $90 buckaroonies. Well, yeah, not guaranteed. Gotcha, gotcha. Push it down. Get me out of this. Is that my buy signal? Yes, it is. I mean, I have to ignore it. Max is barking, so we'll see. Well, it might squeeze me out. Might smoke the account here, guys. We'll see. We might smoke it. Yes, back to that key level there at the 10. So if it gets above there and holds above it, then it's just going to go. There she blows. I told you it was going to be close. Was going to be close. I need the account now. You are right. I need the account now. Yeah, I just cooked mine too, Cooper. Not great, not great. It'll go down now, most likely. We cooked it. We smoked it. We did all the things we're not supposed to do. That is kind of the only problem with a 25K account. You know, you only got $1,000 in drawdowns. Really tough to do the scaling thing with it. I probably, maybe if I'm going to use that account, I need to keep it to sort of just like maybe a fixed, whatever the trades are with fixed stops, most likely. So maybe that's what we'll do. Oh, a lot of fun, a lot of fun. Night. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I mean, we're kind of hitting that trend line now that we've created. Little bitty short-term trend line. Let me see. Max did give us the long signal, but we didn't take it. He gave us the long signal. What up, Alpha? Nice job, Michael. Let's see what we get here. Maybe might get another little push down. We'll see. He knows when I overtrade. That was the overtrade signal. Probably was. 5-minute candle kind of turning green here. Still really no SMT here though. Still pushing. Supposed to take 24,660 level before going down. I mean, it could. What's the 660 level, though? I don't see anything significant there. It could, it could, it could. Just kind of watching the ES here hover around that 10. What's that, Max? Short or long, bud? Tell me. Is that up or down, Max? You didn't say. I'm getting some, I'm still getting some data latency on most everything. He's grumbling over there, guys. Is it long or short? What do you think? I don't know. Top of the hour in about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. New 5-minute candle here. What is going on? Can I make a giveaway and give you $100? Jack, send me 200 and I will make a giveaway and give you 100. Seems reasonable. Perfect. What do you think? Perfect? Sounds reasonable to me. 200 pesos. All right, guys, y'all ready for the giveaway? It's 11 o'clock almost. We'll do the giveaway. Let's see how many people are in the giveaway. All right, right now we only got 2 people in the giveaway. We got Tony Gold and Tony Gold 410 backup. Do you guys think that's Tony Gold's backup account? There's only 2 people in the giveaway. Who do you think is going to win? One or the other? Just kidding. There's more than that. Just got to refresh. Tony Gold backup. All right, we got 119 entrants, 76 viewers. So let him win, Tony Gold backup. Oh, Jack. Come on, man. Don't spam the chat. Well, what do you guys think? Shotgun or no? All right. You guys know. You know the deal. Let's start a poll. You always say yes to the shotgun, but Room says no. Oh, wait. What up, Donovan? It's rigged anyway. Why does it matter? Yeah. You're not wrong. It is rigged, after all. We need at least 25 votes. I mean, we got 20 votes. Pegasus says shotgun 3 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes? Why do I give you 3 minutes when I know you can get it done in 1? What up, Donovan? We're going to split the difference and we're going to go 2. All right, we got 81%, so shotgun it is. So let's cancel. Get your stuff ready. Get everything ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Marson got in first. Room Beats is third. Hope to retire. I like that name. The second. I hope to retire. Can't believe I traded stupid on that my funded account. You know what I'm going to do, I think? I think I'm only going to trade this My Funded account on stream at My Funded TV. I said that earlier and I did not do that. So let's do that from now on. Let's do that from now on. "56 seconds, guys." Exclamation point MM in the chat. "28 seconds." "8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mick D's SS. Where you at? Mickey D's. That's what it is. Mickey D's. Where you at? Mickey D's. Is he here? Is he here? Anybody see him? Mickey D's. Look at this thing go. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Show me that you are logged into your account. Click on the top right-hand corner on your icon. Show me you're logged in. Screenshot it. Show me you're logged in. And send it over to me. What is going on here? Why is that not... I don't know what's going on here. Max said he did call the long after all, guys. He called the long. What did he win? I don't know yet. Mick, send me your information. I don't know what you won yet because I'm waiting for a response from Apex. So it's either going to be an Apex any size eval or a trader's launch account. One or the other. We're almost at the goal for the Take Profit Trader. Almost there. I don't know what's going on here. Why will it not? It's like not processing my payment. I'm annoyed. It'll be one or the other. As soon as I hear from those fellas over there. Ask for some more codes because we're out. We are out. Guys, I cannot get logged in to buy an account over here. It's weird. I don't know why the payment processor doesn't work. What do you guys think? Are we going higher here? Are we going higher? Or are we going higher? All right, thanks, Mick. Mick or Mike. I'm not sure which one it is. Did I close above there? Did we? Nope. Well, we do have that overnight level up there at 842. Looking like it wants to go there. ES back above the 38. Maybe, Josephi. Room called the long? I don't know. I didn't hear it. Anybody see room called the long? I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Didn't hear it. Nothing. Nada. Short now room? I don't know. What do you think? I mean, I'm trying to buy an account over here, but it will not go past 25%, so I give up. Oh. I'm trying to buy an account, but it won't let me. It's time for a short, you think? It could be. All right, you know what? I'm going to do a short. 746 is going to be my short level. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, 746 is the open and the previous day close. It's both. So what do you think? Do we get a reaction there or not? Max floppity flop flop. What the? Oh, come on. Maybe 20, maybe like 27 ticks. All right, whatever. That'll work. Oh. Look for a little reaction off that level. I got it set up over here on this eval. I would show you, but then I'd have to kill you. Oof. That one ticked me, guys. Come on, don't be a dirty little SOB. There we go. Now it tagged me in. Well, got tagged in, but that's not the reaction we really hoped for. Oh, push it down. We just need 39. Just need 39. That's all we need. Retest 39. There we go. Get back below there. Retest 39. Do what I say, not as I do, or something like that. Retest 39. You can do it. Come on. You know you want to. Retest 39. That's not 39, bro. All right, unfortunately, stop me out. Well, it's quite rude. It's quite rude. God, she's running. It's going to take that opening high up there at 815. That's where it's going, looks like. Saying short at 46 was going to be a mistake. Well, the thing was, like, it's just 10-point stop, right? So it's not the end of the world. It's kind of, but also I don't know how much I trust that previous day close since we had a short day yesterday, right? So technically it's like not as strong as it might normally be. So you got to scream louder next time, Luke. That sucks, Clarity. Rest in peace. You didn't like that account anyway, right? All right, guys. Well, we are about 10 minutes away. Well, 13 minutes away from being on My Funded TV. I'm going to post the link in the chat here. Join us over there for a little more degeneracy. Probably not too much, but hit the like button as you get in there. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. As you guys know, we blew this eval. And we're red on the funded accounts. $180 is what it is. We're up 809 on a TPT account. And 527 on another. We're up 565 on this account over here. So unfortunately, the accounts that we're green on, we didn't really trade on the stream. But it is what it is. Do appreciate you guys watching. And we'll see you guys over at My Funded TV. So we'll see you guys over there.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but signal